vengi
akihana oria etagwo atia uyu watuheaga covid updates riria Muthee atari kuo.
Oh, Mwangangi.
Yes.
And here she has been appointed the CEO of SHA.
Yes. No, that one can, she's not allowed. And I have not heard of a scandal that she is involved in. So let's look out for that. Oh, yes.
And we wish her all the best.
Nĩtwakenaga ũtũhe ũhoro. Ona keriri akirio muna. Iri ni ahatwo.
Une tware riri kwa SHA.
Acokie riri.
Oh, acokie riri.
Niwe mucokia wake
wa riri.
For the best on mutaratara ucio naguo gikorwo we up and running ri. Andu ingi ni meguteithika.
Na ni wa bata.
Yes. Ndio.
Ine.
Riu ri. Taricicio kang'etheri.
Taricicio.
Yes. Yeah.
TK.
Yes. Ni wa kuria thogoto. Yes. Igua thogoto berahiro. Igua sabikira hitu.
Wa thogoto berahiro.
Yes. Taricicio no maeneo mariku.
No maeneo macio.
Andu mamunanagia kaigwa.
Kaigwa.
Tondu athiurukagia igwa tariri. That young old man waigwa etagwo atia.
Gacari.
Yes. Igwa ngima na gaikia. Yes. Andu mamwetaga kaigwa. Yes. He ran into Lady Luck. Yes. Tondu ni andu aria makorwo mena complaints cia muturire. Cia uria arugamiirio menyaka yake. Miaka-ini yake yonini. Yes.
Kwina historical injustices.
Yes.
Ciekekire muturire-ini wake.
Yes. Taricicio ri andu aku thogoto ri nimonaga it is very glaring. Wero wake ni ukorwo wi mukiru.
Oh, ni ukiritie Sub-Saharan.
Yes. Ayo Museveni akiuga andu a South Sudan makorwo me buru. Ewa wire. People in South Sudan, they are not black, they are blue.
Taricicio nake wero wake ni mukiru.
Yes. Ewe Chithio ri.
Ando kumwita Chithio ibarika manini.
Atoni ahenda kanya muno andu a ruchwa. Mare bae kaundu mahana. Heka on mahana very bright, glaring. Yes. Let me see you. He had to marry a house and they changed his fortunes. It is never too late. Yes.
Kai mutuliro arahukite thutha uyu
ni warahukite. You see apparently here sogo mako kuria Ngeretha na matuiria maturite mekite research tondu ithe wao ri ni amwe founders aria hetagwo Kentemere. Yes. Aria tioni. Yes.
Ndi hainema.
Yes. Na aria mathia ku Kentemere club matuko-ini mau ma ukoroni ri mari marodi na maburu. Yes.
Mahindi yo.
Yes. Riu family cia ku Kentemere ri kwi mokaga ni undu wa kindu gitagwo heritage. Yes. And the sentimental memory. Yeah, maguka aria manjirie ki
aria mambirie kundu kuu
na ni mokaga oro uguo kwira uria makauga
maikaraga haha.
Yes. Riu kwa Ngeretha yari ni gwatigitwo mugambo.
Kuri mugambo
Otueka agua ori. Muka family no great grandfather aria metagwo the matri yakire ni agwetete ogweto riu ni makwetwo me uku miaka 30 o moro ura uguo mekaga research
mekaga research.
Yes. Riu ni marakireirwo thogoto na mekinya ku ri marakiurangiriria kuragituika uhoro ri mabu ri ya marehe kwau Chithio Chithio ahungwo ri uria munene wa delegation ri arakiuga finally
Here is the man.
Here is the man. Yes. After 77 years of soul searching, our lineage is now complete. Mauga family ya ori. Hega chuji. Matulete methete.
Hari ithenya ritari ria ihurio. Igoma ne.
Makiuga hallelujah. Nekuagoma.
Nekuagomana.
Chithio aragithii na mbere kumuria atiri. What are you saying exactly? You see this man over here? His name is Andre. This is Andre. And that one is Hulk. That one's Hulk. That one is Susan. Those are your brothers and your sisters. How? How?
You joke, Musungu.
You joke, sana. You see, you look at your pigmentation is different from the people of the local here. Their father had a baby here in Kenya. And we've been directed all the way. We've been looking for 30 years. And we found you. We're so happy to find you. Our family's now complete. Welcome home, my brother. Here's your hair on the walk. You know what to do. Malawi today. You unawe kura wale thoguo no mutiga ire nyokwa riu ri thoguo ri icine ciana ciake
ni ari athoguo
na njira nguhiri Chithio thutha wa miaka ya 77 yo turo ri ni ndi twamenya wi comba
ni atuika mucomba
Chithio we ora gicicio ine ri nduonaga we mauthe ma kuti ma gukumbera hiu ningira gwai how? Explain again. Okay, now that you say I am your family, what do you want? Apparently, our father told us that when we come here to Kenya, there's property he left, and he said that property is supposed to be owned by his Kenyan son.
Eh? Gwena indo.
Chithio ni ukira tugairwo indo.
Ando magweta indo.
Chithio kirai twererwo itoka. Apparently, we'd like to. We will be here for 2 months. Within those 2 months, we should have done the necessary transfers so that we can, the will of our father can be fulfilled.
Malauga mugambori. Wa thoguri. Iyo cio ari Mungeretha. Iyo cio ari Mungeretha. Ni augite kiria igukurikia mwana wake uria wiku.
Wi guku.
Na riu nenie.
Chithio ndona nginya ciana ciaku imwe ni ciana Trump. Yo sie mauthi riu kimathikiriria you can endelea.
So there's 25 acres in Tigoni.
Chithio ni wa thutha. Chithio aithikirio guikia rui kana wendie gwacuma nguru.
Warorwo biu kuronekana nima Chithio
Mundu ti ungi
ikinya riake his ancestral home is London.
Ni agicenjia.
Yes. Chithio tha ici ri aranyua kenti mea tondu weka ici boni ni ambire kwenyura riiru
na Tigoni gutire raithi.
Yes. Chithio ni mundu wa ngoro theru muno ararahurie nginya ario a nyina aya maugaga ni wa gukwo nake Tone guko na uge oriku.
Kuri uge ocio.
Ndokirwo nani rĩu ndoka na mbia.
Mundu anjorere nyumba ĩrĩa ndaga na ndikwenda nyumba cia ero. Nĩ mũcora nyumba cina hakiri.
Cia kĩrĩu.
Ndio. Ndĩmwakire o mundu furati rufu. Ye mũtirio wa tatu. Icio nĩ mbeca nini mũno.
Chithio nĩ arahuka.
No, that situation is highly unlikely.
Very rare.
Very. Chithio araika uga kera andu atiri. Na ngũthiĩ gĩcagi kidogo.
Gĩcagi kĩrĩkũ?
Ai, Ngeretha.
Ndĩraigua ngĩaria cia rũgongo ndĩraria ũhoro wa Ngeretha.
Gũkũ mũmenya ndĩ mũgeni.
Gũkũ rĩu rĩ. Gũkũ njũkaga otana. Nĩ ngathiĩ ngatiga arĩa marendoragĩra kĩ? Indo ciakwa. Kaigua Chithio tũrawe ngati. Waĩ namba ndakweheria igai-inĩ rĩakwa. Rĩ kĩndũ ngĩneo we. Nĩ ngati irĩkũ cira.
Ũraria ũguo na ũrenda indo cia ngati.
Maramatwarĩte Ngeretha mena bamĩrĩ yake othe. Yes. Kwanja rĩu tũtũ twerũ rĩ. Nĩtuo marakuhagĩrĩria. Makiuga, this one is a spitting image of our father.
Heko kahana guka we biũ.
Is a spitting image of our father. Oh, look at him. He's exactly like our father. Your grandfather looks exactly like you. What's your name? Blackie. You're our father. He should say here. Well, he can go to school here.
Ah. Ndigĩokire kuonga.
Rĩa kũigaga ikia thĩ.
Ndĩ camba. Ndĩ rũgongo.
No, Chithio's fortunes have changed dramatically.
At the age of 77.
Yes. He's living like the Lord Dalame.
Arĩa gũcenjia ta Warlord.
Na arandĩkĩrwo harĩa ithe aikaraga Kentmere rĩ, aikarage ho. Atua gũcera kũndũ kũrĩkũ?
Atua gũcera kũndũ kũu.
Yes. Andũ acio rĩu marauga their family heritage is now complete.
Finally.
Thanks to Chithio.
Eka iye Chithio.
Yes.
Ĩra inyanya na 45. Mũtũrĩre nĩ ũgĩcenjagio na mũndũ matukũ mathiĩte.
Yes.